Hey, welcome back. How are you?
Good. How you doing, Chris?
Great to see you.
Good to see you.
What are you in the mood for?
Man, I want something with a kick.
Okay.
A real kick.
A kick.
Something spicy.
Okay.
Something smoky.
Bold.
Maybe a little bitter.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Like I want a mean drink.
I got it.
You got it?
I have just a cocktail for you.
Mean one?
So I've been digging mezcal lately. I've been reading all about it. Find some great cocktails. Do you like Palomas?
Yeah, I like a Paloma.
Grapefruit juice?
Yeah.
So I found a great cocktail. Mezcal Ancho Paloma, it's called.
Oh, it's like a Paloma, but meaner.
It's meaner, it's spicier, smokier, bolder.
Yeah.
So instead of a Paloma, which calls for tequila, it has Mezcal and Ancho Reyes instead.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Let's make the Mezcal Ancho Paloma.
Let's do it.
So this is a shaken cocktail, all built in a sugar tin. We're gonna add our mezcal first, using 1.5 ounces of Montelobos. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces in a shaker tin. This is a great mezcal. Has a little smoke, not overpowering. From Oaxaca, real good stuff. Ancho Reyes, we'll use 1/2 ounce from chili peppers. It's a Chile Liqueur. 1/2 ounce. Next, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Then we're gonna go grapefruit juice. We got fresh squeezed grapefruit here. We're gonna do 3/4 ounce. And then final step is your Agave Nectar. It's great stuff by Moen, it's organic. We're gonna do 1/4 ounce. A little sweetener. That's all the ingredients. Now we're gonna add ice to your shaker tin. And give it a good shake. That'll work. Let's go in a Collins glass. We're gonna fill the top with ice.
Hey, Chris.
Hey,
You know what Paloma means in Spanish?
is it dove?
It sure is.
I knew this because we did a Paloma back in our old videos, and I did a little research, but I did not until then.
Yeah, it's a dove.
But yeah, I love this channel because I learned so much from this channel, just from watching myself over and over and over.
You watch yourself a lot.
You gotta improve, get it better, right?
Yeah.
So the Hawthorne Strainer, we're gonna strain over the ice. We're gonna leave a little space for the soda water. Top off soda water. Garnish with a grapefruit wheel.
Wow. You know, that
Large,
looks good.
It's large, fresh.
It's a big chunk.
Always use fresh ingredients if
Yeah.
possible. Nice metal straw there. And here we go, the Mezcal Ancho Paloma.
Well, let me give it a shot.
Give it a shot, sir, see what you think. Cheers.
Ooh,
Whoa.
that's got a bit of a kick. Just what I was looking for.
Okay.
A little spicy.
That's what you
Get
said?
the smoke from the tequila.
Okay.
A lot of fresh fruit juices going on there.
Yeah.
A little bitter.
Yeah.
A little sweet.
To keep her.
I don't want to give it back.
All
right.
All right.
Ah, thanks, Chris.
All right. You're very welcome.
That's
Well,
a great one.
Well, there's many more. Please like this cocktail if you like this. Please follow us for many more cocktails in the future. And we're on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender.
Great.
Great to see you.
Good to see you too, Chris.
Thanks a lot. See you around.
Bye.
Bye.